If I have no documentation, we have no idea what we did to that machine. We have to have documentation on what you're doing and what you did, what did you use.
The whole thing with the app, it just makes everything quicker and easier for the field service and the service side inside the shop, because it's eliminating the whole paper aspect of everything. You can click and then it'll give you a description of what you're looking for and sometimes a picture of what you're looking for, and then it'll really help you just learn the machine better than what you would normally know just being green.
The more I did it, then it becomes so much easier for me to show them all these little tricks, like using the microphone, using the video, take pictures of things, and then, if you want to put your own comments in there, do it. Our documentation had many gaps. We missed a lot of things that was done. Cat Inspect is filling those gaps.